Hello, welcome to Blissful Spaces. I am in the garden and it has been raining really bad today. So it stopped for a brief and I was able to go out and get the final harvest. It'll probably be my last harvest of my grapes. And usually I collect the leaves from my grape tree or vine. But this year the Japanese beetle did quite a bit damage. They chewed holes all through my leaves, so I didn't get to collect that. We make a stuffed grape leaves, a Mediterranean dish, so a little disappointed that I'm not going to be able to make that this season. But come on, walk with me. I wanted to show you. This is my grapevine and my raspberry vine and my blackberry vine. I wanted to show you, so this is one section of my garden where I planted some seeds, getting ready for the fall, and the seeds are sprouting. I planted more herbs and more onions and beets, and right here I do have some squash and some radishes that I just planted like 3 weeks ago. Radishes is one of the easiest things you can grow. And here I'm just showing how I plant the radishes all around my squash. Some onions, you can't really see. Right here you can see one of them, but I have onions planted, purple onions and green onions. There's one right there. You can see the little string. Oh, and there's some spinach that it's already hot, and so the spinach is bolted. So I'm just gonna let it seed, and then it'll drop the seeds. I'll collect the seeds for the next season. And here we have my Swiss chard. I just love growing Swiss chard year round, actually, but it thrives in the cool weather. So I got a jump start on my Swiss chard. I just planted some giant Swiss chard by seed, and it just sprouted all this rain. I'm truly thankful for the rain. If you go back and watch my prior videos, I seeded 3 to 4 days ago and everything is already sprouted. So, and here's another visual, really done very well. I've been able to share with my neighbors, and of course I love lettuce, so I've been making salads pretty much every day. I can never get tired of it. My husband maybe, but I love lettuce. So I'm thankful and I'm excited for the cool weather. Oh, I can't wait till fall so that I can get all my brassica plants in. So just wanted to show you, I harvested grapes and of course 2 baskets of lettuce. Yum. Shared, and then I have enough for my family. So I just wanted to thank you. I also was able, and then I'm going to put that in another video. I wanted to do 2 short videos. I harvested some purple onions and some yellow onions for the first time. I think I picked them maybe a little early. So I'm excited for the fall crop. I am definitely going to plant some more onions, and I will leave them in longer. The longer you leave them in, the bigger they get. And I know now when they fall over, then most likely they're ready. But I had a couple that fell over and they're kind of small. But be sure to tune in to my next video where you will see my onion harvest, and that one's going to be short as well. Thank you for taking time out to watch, and as always, be loving, be kind, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and click the like button down below. Blessings.